arrive in style with this Ram 2019 2500 Laramie. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift knob, monotone paint, sport appearance package included, body color grille surround black interior accents sport decal body color door handles painted front bumper painted rear bumper, tires, LT 275/70R18 EBSWS, STD, spray and bud liner, blind spot and cross path detection included, power chrome toe mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted O reverse lamps exterior mirrors with memory power adjustable convex O mirrors, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and black leather trimmed bucket seats included, bucket seats high back seats number 1 seat foam cushion folding flood load floor storage.